Well, my friends, today's video goes about this set, the JBL GTI Series 660, including the amplifier. Let me translate it in English for you. I had this ad from my friend Nick. He sent me this morning this link from the ad, and he told me very nice stuff to see, you know, interesting. And I thought, what is this? What is this? What is this kind of amplifier? I didn't recognize it, not at all. So what I found out that this is car stereo. This is car stereo, my friends, really car stereo. This is not an amplifier, but it is a crossover. So what you see here in the middle is a crossover. Yeah. So you need with this stuff a amplifier. So I thought, okay, 100, I mean, the bid was €80. And I think, okay, car stereo built in 2 speakers. But it is JBL, yeah? And believe me, guys, JBL knows how to make speakers. I mean, and for them, for JBL, the car market, it's much more important than the hi-fi audio market, because JBL sells many car speakers from factory off. You understand? Many car brands have JBL speakers in their cars when they roll off the factory. And this set, I think this set was from 2006, costed €1,500, my friends, €1,500 in 2006. It was the best, but the best JBL could make for that price in car stereo, in car speaker, and in crossover. Yeah, because later they had an anniversary set. I'm not sure if this set is the anniversary set, but this is this is a video I found. I found how they sell this stuff. This is the anniversary, yeah, the JBL GT 660. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, my friends. Of course, I do not think this guy have the suitcase with it. These are the tweeters. And this is the woofer. Unbelievable. Watch this, my friends. This is the crossover. Not a simple thing. So, when I saw this video, and I went Googling, and I see here that it was sold. I'm not sure if this was new or second hand, but it was sold later for $600 sold out. I think it was new, yes. I think these were the few remaining boxes. And yes, also in the suitcase, you can see over here, they were sold. This is the crossover. And as you can see, only this crossover, I mean, you know how much this, if you see this crossover, you know this is quality. This is the woofer, made in China, but what's the material, my friends? So this is the tweeter. Not sure what this stuff. Well, this is the crossover, and you can, as you can see, the level of the tweeter you can regulate -5, 1.5 dB or plus 1.5 dB. Not sure what this knob is. and I don't think he still have the suitcase because I like the suitcase. Anyway, this set was sold. Original price was 1500, and the last boxes went away for 600 US dollar. Yeah, but that is without the cabinet. This guy made some wooden cabinets on it, and also these cabinets will cost him. Well, I'm not sure if he did it himself, but I think yeah, if he did it himself, maybe the wood would cost him an extra $100. Yeah, not sure where he painted the box, if he did it himself or by a car painter, not sure. But also that costed money. So I thought, okay, I did a bid from 200 euro, no, 100 euro, because I think I'm very curious how this sounds. Very curious because JBL, my friends, this was the top of the line speakers JBL could make for cars. And of course, you can say, well, a car speaker is not the same as a Wi-Fi speaker. That is correct. But if you see the specs of these speakers, you can see over here, eBay. Yeah, this is the new ones. The new ones have 2 crossovers. Yeah, Canadian 1383. That's about 1,000 euro. Yeah, and so this is rare stuff. This is rare stuff you hardly can find. And this is items for sale. Price 100, shipped, only the crossover. So only this guy is only selling the crossover for $100. This was in 2003. No, 2014. In 2007 by Adam Reiner. This is a piece by Adam Reiner. Yeah, talks audio reviews. A set of speakers designed to show off about it being the JBL 60th anniversary. So they are anniversary speakers. A feature in itself how many speakers and amplifier companies are vulnerable. JBL hold a special place as they are the most famous pro audio brand, and you have heard their stuff at theme parks, clubs, concerts. These are a two-way component speaker system with separate tweeter units, mid-bass driver, and one major combined passive crossover, complete with a mounting kit to fit the tweeters in more than one application, and screws and fixing, complete with a mounting kit to fix the tweeters in more than one application, and screws and fixing, and a choice of very upmarket grills. One inlaid with carbon fiber. They are part of the JBL GTI series. Their most upmarket, the range including a 6 kilowatt bass amp they make with Crown, the Concert Pro amplifier, people. Okay, so in combination with a 6 kilowatt bass amplifier, this the heavy stuff. The 660 GTR are supplied with EOS or elliptical oblated spheroidal plates that fit snugly around the tweeters and are used to change the off-axis response of the set. Well, go on. And you see here again the specs, sensitivity 92 dB, that's a neat number. 150 watt. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it review. Now it comes with the review. So you see here overall 9.2, sound quality 10, build quality 10, power handling 10, efficiency 8, value for money 8. Okay, because they came expensive. The perfect bound manual that comes in a thick silver cover with this set is a posh bit of publishing. The system arrives in a lovely and quite useful size metal case that could be used by a sound of competition to hold all his show gubbins in or even be used as luggage. Open it and within solid foam inserts nestled some lovely bits of stuff. Okay, we go on. The sound was awesome, huge but defined, and sweet with it. The high frequencies were delicious, liquid and fast edges of sound within the yellow track were just fabulous. You could hear space around the recording. They are American flavored in their ability to just keep on getting louder while staying incredible linear, and they have more muscularity than some European style hi-fi. But they are undoubtedly a 10 for sound and scored easily into the best buy zone despite massive price and needing more power to drive than reedy speakers. Okay, so they need much power, yeah. And okay. I'm very interested in. I'm just curious, my friend. I mean, I never had a set like this, a car set, but not a normal car set. I mean, not sure how they sound in reality, but I'm 100% sure that if JBL would place these drivers, these are not normal drivers, my friend. You can see that. This is the best JBL could make for car stereo. In 2006, this was the best they could make. So they were expensive to build. Yeah, and I think that if JBL would make from these drivers, would have made some speakers, that these speakers would be extremely expensive. Yeah. Because they are selling now in a suitcase, but that suitcase is easy, you know, just buy this suitcase in large quantities, place this thing inside, but it is not built in a speaker. A speaker cabinet is often the most expensive things, especially if you have very expensive speakers, but in speakers from up to €2,000, yeah, nowadays, the cabinet, if you have floor standers, is often the most expensive part of that speaker, yeah, not the drivers, my friends. If you have more expensive speakers from 3,000-4,000 and higher, then of course the drivers are more expensive than the cabinet. But speakers up to 2,000, the cabinet is the most expensive thing. They use cheap drivers in those speakers. But these drivers are not cheap. I think in combination with a good subwoofer, I think this set, yeah, and it I mean, just watch this crossover. Watch this crossover. If you once in a while open speakers and you see the crossovers from your speakers, often you see a very little crossover, yeah. But it's a long time ago I saw crossovers, yeah, for two-way system. This is just a two-way system, large like this. I mean, come on, man. What's this? What's this? This is a serious crossover. So there is some money and some investment and some research in this set. It's not just a normal set. So I think this guy was so satisfied, so he came to the idea, okay, I will make, I love this speaker so much, I made a hi-fi set. How it sounds, not sure. But if this guy if this guy agrees with the €100, I'm gonna pick them up. Okay, so your thoughts please about my idea of buying this set. Well, thanks for watching this video, and put the thumbs up if you like it, and for now I say ciao ciao.